Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Epson L3210 printer driver here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, you just have to proceed with the search bar here and type for Epson L3210 driver space download. Once you've typed that, please click on enter so that you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed with the first result. Okay, click on it. And from here, you need to navigate with the scrolling down a bit and go with this download. So click on this. Okay, and wait until the downloading option would be available for us. Okay. So we will be able to see a list of result where here you need to proceed with this one, which is drivers. Click on it. And from here, you would be able to see printer driver and scanner driver. So we need to click on printer driver. Click on this download. And the moment you've clicked on download, you would be navigated to this new window. Okay, all you need to do is you need to accept the license agreement so that you can now start on the downloading of this Epson L120. Okay, so click on keep so that you can now start on the downloading of this L3210. Okay, so please proceed to this first tab and click on the scanner driver for Windows. Click on this as well. Okay. And if you would be navigated to this new window, you just have to wait until it will be ready for you before you can proceed on the downloading of the scanner driver, okay? So just accept the terms and license agreement so that you can now start as well on the downloading. So navigate to the upper right side of that, click this download icon to check the download progress, click on keep to continue and wait until this would be finished. So we have now downloaded the printer driver, which is L3210. We just have to wait until we can now download. We can now finish the downloading of the scanner driver as well before we proceed, okay? Once the printer driver as well as the scanner driver is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be navigated to the location where this two application is being placed to. The next thing that you need to do is you need to move these two applications into our desktop. So please select the two. And once you have selected it, click this cut icon, close the window as well as the browser. And please do a right click here at the desktop and click on this paste icon. So once you have pasted the two application, which are the scanner and printer driver. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed with the button search bar. So here at the button search bar, please type for settings. Once you've typed that, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Okay. So here at the settings, please navigate to the left side of that and look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to navigate with devices. So click on the devices, scroll down, and afterwards, you need to locate for related settings. So under related settings, you can see there are a list of settings. Proceed with more devices and printer settings. Okay. So once you have bring up the devices and printers, set aside this first. So minimize this window first, close the settings, and please proceed to your printer driver. So we need to extract this printer driver. So please do a right click. Okay. Go with the extracting of this printer driver. You just have to wait until this would be done on loading process. And once it is being ready, proceed on extract to. So once you have extracted that, wait until a new file folder would be appearing which is this. Okay. Once it is being set, please proceed again to your devices and printers. So here at the devices and printers, you need to proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called add a printer. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you need to navigate with this option in this window where the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on it. And in this window here where you can add printer, you need to find a printer by other options. So click on this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next to proceed again. And here it will ask you to use an existing port. Click this down arrow and at the bottom of that, you can see there USB 001, 002, and 003. So you need to check among of these three, okay? Either 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be choosing USB 001. Once you have set that as your existing port, click on Next. Okay, and from here, it will show up two options. Click on Have Disk and click on Browse. And since our Epson L3210 printer driver is being placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate with our desktop. Please scroll down and go with our Epson L3210. Click on next, double tap to it. Okay, and from here, double tapped once again, and it will show you the drivers. So these three drivers would work out. All you need to do is you need to select any of these drivers. Okay, once you have selected it, click on open, go with OK to finished, and it will show you Epson L3210 series. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to click on next once again, and you can click on next, and it will now start on the installing of this printer driver, which is the Epson L3210. So this will take some time. You just have to wait until this installation would be finished. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installing of this printer driver. Now, once you are done, please click on next. Okay. And once you do that, it will be added here, which is the Epson L3210. Once you're good, you can now close the window. Okay, and move your extracted file here to the location and proceed to your Epson scanner. So we need to install this Epson scanner. How we can do so? Please double tap to it. Okay. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, and it will now unzipping the file. We just have to wait until we can now install this scanner driver application. Okay. So click on next. Click on I accept the terms and conditions of this agreement and click on next. And it will now start on installing this printer scanner. So this will take some time again. You just have to wait until this installation setup would be finished. Okay. So once you have successfully installed the printer, the scanner driver, you can click on finished and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.